Good day and welcome to another great 6-gun recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do mini sliders 4 ways. So your 6-gun grilled patties, I've divided into 4 little balls. So it's looking like mini fricadelles. I've got a pan here with some oil, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So while our patties is in the last stage, I'm going to start by prepping our burgers along. As you can see, I've got mini cocktail rolls. So the first one, I've added some basil leaves. Second one, rocket. Third one, rocket and lettuce. And our fourth one, rocket again. Our patties is ready to come off. Burger number 1, some crispy bacon. Burger number 2, some cheddar cheese. Burger number 3, some blue cheese. Ons het ook opgemaak het voor die tyd. For burger number 3, some blue cheese. Burger number 4, creamy jalapeno, because I like a chili burger. Some spicy relish that I'm going to add to our bacon burger. Some 6-gun sauce. Now this is a big bottle, so I've just decant some that I'm going to add to our blue cheese and to our normal cheeseburger. Our burgers is done. This is the difficult part. Which one to choose? So let's show you a little game. Any mini 6-gun go. Bacon burger, it will be.